Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Now I am discuss most important political science question answer which is helps to SSC, UPSC and all state exam. Next CPT 2021 exam. So start करिबा आजिरो question. Which of the following is not a condition for becoming a citizen of India? Option A birth, option B acquiring property, option C descent, option D naturalization. Right answer option B acquiring property. Next question, who is competent to prescribe conditions as per acquiring Indian citizenship? Option A Parliament, option B State Legislature, option C President, option D Attorney General. Right answer option A Parliament. Next question, according to the Citizenship Act 1955, Indian citizenship cannot be acquired by option A children of the diplomatic personnel or alien enemies born in India on or after 26 January 1950. Option B children born of Indian citizens abroad. Option C incorporation of territory not forming part of India at the commencement of the Constitution. Option D naturalization. Right answer option A children diplomatic personnel or alien enemies born in India or after 26 January 1950. Next question, citizenship provisions are enshrined in the Constitution in option A part II, option B part II article 5 to 11, option C part II article 5 to 6, option D part 1 article 5 to 11. Right answer option B part II article 5 to 11. Next question, which of the following articles describes about the person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens? Option A article 5, option B article 7, option C article 8, option D article 9. Right answer option D article 9. Next question, details on how citizenship may be acquired and terminated are enumerated in option A part II of the Constitution, option B the Citizenship Act 1955, option C schedule of the Constitution, option D various enactments by Parliament. Right answer option B the Citizenship Act 1955. Next question, a person can become a citizen of India even if born outside India if his or option A father is a citizen of India, option B mother is a citizen of India, option C father is a citizen of India at the time of the person's birth, option D father or mother is a citizen of India at the time of the person's birth. Right answer option D father of mother is a citizen of India at the time of the person's birth. Next question, to acquire citizenship by registration a person must have been resident in India for dash immediately before making an application. Option A 6 months, option B 1 year, option C 3 years, option D 7 years. Right answer option D 7 years. Next question, which of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Option A right of freedom of religion, option B right to property, option C right to equality, option D right to constitutional remedies. Right answer option D right to constitutional remedies. Next question, on whom does the Constitution confer special responsibility for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Option A Parliament, Option B Supreme Court, Option C President, Option D State Legislature. Right answer Option B Supreme Court. Next question, according to Article 23, the following are prohibited. Option A traffic in human beings, beggary, slavery and bonded labor. Option B monopoly of trade. Option C sale of incenses. Option D visit to terrorist infected areas. Right answer Option A traffic in human beings, beggary, slavery and bonded labor. Next question, Article 20 to 22 relate to the fundamental right to life and personal liberty. These rights are available to Option A citizen and non-citizens, Option B natural persons as well as artificial person, Option C citizen only, Option D all persons who have juristic personality. Right answer Option A citizen and non-citizens.